Hi, I'm Justin Paulbreck at 500 Day Street at Georgia Pacific. We make tissue and napkins. I design control systems to run paper machines, different assets of paper machines, equipment, systems, such as like chemical systems or the actual paper machine itself. A typical day consists of, well, a lot of times I look and see if there's any downtime from the day before or night before, see if there's any outlying problems that need to be resolved. Otherwise, I go ahead and do planning, look at either, some days I have installs going in, so I work with either our electricians or outside contractors to install new systems. At least once a week there's something being added, it seems like, or being fixed. A lot of times you got to check it out and make sure it works right. Work with operators day to day. I went to college at University of Wisconsin-Platteville for electrical engineering with a controls and power background as an emphasis. I think from my school, I think what set me up the best was be able to learn. And that's what all the classes are. Like, okay, we're going to give you a problem, you guys figure it out. Either you got to read books or you got to go online to actually figure it out. So that's the biggest thing that helps, because that's what you're doing day in, day out. You're just trying to learn. Every day I learn something. There's not a day, I mean, there's hours. Every hour I probably learn something. It's amazing. I mean, I either find something that, a lot of stuff is aging assets that in order to make it run longer, you have to either redesign it, replace it, or try to make it better. And that's what I like to do, try to make it better. So much technology, and it's always changing too, so I mean, there's new stuff. Vendors keep coming out with new products, and I mean, you continually ask them to come here to train us, or they give us training, or we have to go and get training. I mean, we're probably getting training every month. You're learning something. I work with DCS systems, that are distributed control systems, PLCs, anywhere from a lot of AutoCAD, multimeters and heart communicators, devices, anywhere from graphic design to actual ladder logic and block diagram logic, and sometimes even like C programming and Visual Basic type products, and setting up Ethernet networks. Our culture here is very specific. We want to create value, and we want people to be like principled entrepreneurs. Basically, you could be your own company, but in certain, you're still working for Georgia Pacific. How would you run it? The satisfaction of, I can design a process that used to be manual, that someone used to throw valves and have to go run around and look at pressure gauges all day long. Nowadays, it's connected to a control system. They'll give you resources so you can actually, put your dreams on paper and actually get stuff done and I see it. The end goal here is to make paper, and make paper well. So, and if we didn't work together, I mean, we wouldn't be a good company. So, and we wouldn't be a long-term company.